Hello, guys. Today I'm talking about a small topic of decomposition. Decomposition is when a problem is complicated enough, so you break it down. So, sometime examiner would give you a question of this kind that it says over here, a hospital is developing a patient management system that tracks appointment, treatments, and billing. Decompose the problem by identifying three modules. So that's the question. You have to identify the name of the modules and what modules are to be needed to solve the problem. So at the design stage, so these are the modules. So you just have to give the name of the modules, but make sure when you give the name of the module, you write down the brackets and specify the purpose clearly. For example, the appointment scheduler will do what? To manage and organize the patient appointment, ensuring no double booking occur. And then treatment records the whatever number of time you would visit that hospital, so whatever treatment is provided, so details have to be stored, so to record and track the treatment details about the patient. Similarly, you paid bills to the hospital or to the doctor, so for that there should be a module for billing information. So some hint is given in the question, like it says three modules, so this was a big hint that you have to advise three modules that could be used in the design stage. And what are those things that you need to focus on? It says that, yeah, track appointments, treatment, and billing. So let's move on to the second question. But before that, majority of the student, when they advise the name of the module, they forget to write down these brackets. These brackets are must whenever you talk about the module, because inside the bracket we can write down the parameters needed. Sometimes there can be two parameters, three parameters, or no parameters. So how would you identify it is a module or not? Brackets tells the person it is a module. If you write it without the brackets, so that means it can be a variable. So make sure that you open the bracket and close the bracket. So bracket आप जरूर लगाएं, right, to indicate that it is the name of the module. Similarly, over here, I have another question. A university is developing an online course management system that enables a student to enroll in the courses and submit assignment. So this can be one thing, submit assignment and track the grades. The system will utilize the database to maintain the details of the student courses and grades. So you got to maintain the details of the students. You got to maintain the details of the courses. And based on the assignments or the assessment, the grades can be calculated. So you don't need another module for that. A new module will be created to handle the notifications. The examiner says there should be a new module. Such a big hint is given here. To handle what? To handle the notification. So this module is must mandatory because the examiner himself is writing about it. And it says that identify three program modules. Identify three program modules, keeping the question in mind. So these are the name of the module that can be suggested. The course enrollment module, make sure you write down the brackets again, an assignment management module, and then notification module. So you can read the stuff. Make sure that when this kind of question comes in the test or in the exam, so you can handle it efficiently. I hope you must have understood this thing, the how the decomposition is done. So wishing you all the best for your exam, and do take care of yourself. Goodbye.